Alright, just a quick video on how to replace plug on a cord that's either really bad and unsafe or just needs to be replaced because it's got a broken prong. This one kind of has both. Man, that's dangerous. So we'll show how to change it. First thing you want to do is cut the old one off. Just don't even have but 2 wires in it, but that's okay. We're going to strip this back about an inch, maybe 1.25 inches. This baby's got naked wire on one side. Okay, this is what I meant by naked wire. This wire don't even have an insulation around it. It's just bare wire. The other one has an insulation around it. They both look horrible. They're both black. This dude is probably, I don't know, if I had to guess, 50 years old or more. That's just how they did things back then. No ground protection. It's alright. I'm still going to show how to fix it. This little dude here just comes apart. There's different models that come apart different ways. And all you really want to do, run the end of the cord on the back side through to the front side. There's usually a small hole there, which makes it a little difficult to poke through there. So we'll take it apart a little bit further. That way we can hit that hole easier. Okay. Then we're going to do a little assuming here. What do you say about that? If we don't have a ground, which would typically be your uninsulated, or it would be a green insulated wire. So in this case, we're going to assume that this is a neutral and this is the hot. AC, it doesn't make much difference, but it is important when to do it right. So, how do you know where to put the hot and the neutral on this connector? The green's ground, so you always know that's right. But there's just electrical rule for AC. It's more like a de facto, but it's what you should go by because that's what these devices are designed around. So black heals gold. If you remember that phrase, is where your black wire goes. That'll be your hot. And silver is close to white. So that's your white. So black heals gold, silver white, green ground. There's a little hole here with a gap. That's what you want to put the wire into. And tighten the screw. Now that's a goal. I'm about to mess up, ain't I? Let's flip that around. We're going to say that this is neutral. We're going to put it on the white side. Silver. Make sure there's no frays sticking out anywhere. Tighten that. If we had a ground, it would go there and we'd tighten it. I'm going to tighten it just because I don't want anything rattling. And then you just go in reverse the way it came from this door. There's a notch. Usually a notch on this. You just turn it till it lines up to the 2 notches. Drive it home. You have to pull the cable a little bit if it's tight in this grip. Pull the back or to the front. These are usually either offset a little bit or have a keyed shape. So these are ovaled. 2 of these plastic holes should be ovaled. Just line those up, push them home. This one you tighten the screws from the prong side. And then you tighten your grip. That's all there is to it. I'll plug it up the power so you can see that it works. Yay! Till next time.
Please like, comment, and share this video to help others. Also, let us know what you would like to see next in the comments.